How to save a home or work address in Grab. First of all, open the Grab app on your phone. On share on the main screen, tap on the account tab located in the bottom right corner. This will open your profile settings. Next, under your profile, you'll see a section called Saved Places. Tap on it. Here, you'll see options like Add Home, Add Work, and Add New. Tap on Add Home to add your home address. You can either manually type and search for the desired location or use Grab Maps to locate it easily. Move the pin to select the address, and once you have chosen it, tap Select. Now, enter the contact details and check address details properly and then tap Save Address. Similarly, tap on Add Work to add your work address. You can either manually type and search for the desired location or use Grab Maps to locate it easily. Move the pin to select the work address, and once you have chosen it, tap Select. If you want to add another location for easy access, tap on Add New and select the address. Once you have entered the address, these addresses will be stored in your list of saved places. If you want to edit an address, just tap on the address and you can easily edit the details or delete it by tapping the delete button located at the end of the address. And that's it. Now you know how to save a home or work address in Grab. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.